Morning, welcome to today's show. Today I'm hooking up the LED lights for my snowblower. Let's have a look. Put these LED lights on. But for the LEDs, you can't just hook them direct to your snowblower. This is what you need to do. Soldered them together already. These are the two capacitors. And then here's the rectifier. And then we'll follow this diagram. See what we can do. Here we've got our all hooked up temporary. Let's go try it. Okay, hooked it all up temporary with just some alligator clips. I left the ground off here. We'll go try it. Here's your rectifier. It says plus an AC. So the plus goes to the plus side of the capacitors and then carries onto the light. This one across goes to the negative capacitors and up to your light. And the ACs, here it comes from your power from the yellow. This one comes from the other one, black. Say you can reverse these around because it doesn't matter. So these two capacitors into lights. Then I have mine. I bolted in my lights already. I'm going to drill in this. And I'm going to put in the switch. Remember to test this out before you start drilling everything. But okay. There we go, right here. Because I didn't want mine all the time. I put a switch in there. Okay, my switch on. This is the bolt for the rectifier. You can see it's all under there. I'm going to trim all these up a bit. Make that nice. Cover these with tape. Alright, good morning. I had them both going here. I'm going to show you, but only one will work. And I'll just show you. So, I hope that helps people today. If you like today's video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. If you have a comment that's helpful to others, please leave it. Later.